Hey girls.
Hey.
Why? Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, I moved the camera a little bit, hold on. It is day 7 of February 2020 box week, and the girls are back. Say hey girls.
Hey.
Why? Why do you guys do these creepy introductions every time now? I don't know what's up with that. Okay, so we're going to be opening up Love with Food. Love with Food is the girls' favorite box. It's our foodie subscription box, which the girls are crazy about. And this box is $10 a month. And if you're ever watching this and you're like, I'm going to try it for myself, we have a referral code down below. When you use our referral code, we actually get a bonus snack box. I always mention that. You're going to make me do it. Do you have to cough now? Because we get a bonus box and the kids love the boxes. So, what is up with you? This is just weird. I'm uncomfortable. I'm uncomfortable.
I don't care if you're uncomfortable.
You should care. Not cool, bro. Alright, so this says, when I think of love, I think of... What do you think of when you think of love?
My family.
I think of my family too. What do you think of when you think of love?
When I think of love, I think of everything.
Okay, great. Alright, so this month, okay, this box already looks amazing. We're going to start over here. Roasted and salted peanuts by Cars Peanuts. One bag of these is 160 calories, 8 grams of protein, 4 carbs. I'm ready. Are you guys ready?
Okay. Are you allowed to eat it? Are you allergic?
No, I'm not allergic to peanuts. I'm only allergic to almonds. Try it. You need to wait for the rest of us before you eat this though, because you always be trying snacks before we get them. Alright, 1, 2, 3, go. You can get that one later. Get it later. Just get it later. Thumbs up. Like it. For sure like it.
It's salty. Side them.
Thumbs up for me. It tastes like, you know what it tastes like? It tastes like baseball game peanuts out of the shell.
Yeah.
That's what it tastes like. Next we have Welchs fruit snacks. You guys like fruit snacks?
Yeah.
This is 70 calories, 1 protein, 17 carbs, and 9 grams of sugar. So I've actually, I've been doing more of a keto-based diet, so I am not going to be trying the fruit snacks since they're like straight sugar, but I will let the girls try these. I'll try some of the sweet things, but not like this is just like a straight sugar party. Go ahead and try that. Ladies, go ahead and try it. Let me know what you think, okay?
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
There's like a lot of stuff in here in this one. Good?
Yeah,
okay. Next we will try, let's see, there is 2 different meat sticks. There's Chomp's beef meat stick, and then there is Larissas kitchen original beef stick as well. So there's like
I think we should do this one last because it sounds good.
Alright, we'll try. They both look good. They're both beef sticks. Alright, hold on. We'll try this one first. We'll try the other one. If I can get it open, that is. Hold on. No. No.
It's easy to me. But I want to open it.
I know it's easy to you guys. I'm happy for, listen, I'm so happy for you that you guys can easily open stuff and that I can't. But guess what? You get to suffer with me. Just wait while I try to figure out myself. Yeah, you can make faces. You can be silly. I don't care. Alright, there you go. There's a piece for you. There's a piece for you. 1, 2, 3, go. Like it. I do not like it.
It's a low. Is that side thumb or side down?
It's down. Just all the way down.
Is it a little spicy?
It's a little disgusting. Sorry if you made this product. You made me some peanuts.
I like it. Have fruits, but I don't like the spicy.
I don't like anything about it.
I thought you like spicy stuff.
It doesn't. It's not spicy to me. It's
Can
just
I try this time?
Helena.
Are you just gonna let me suffer watching?
Just let me fail. Let me fail. Let me fail. Let me fail forward.
Audience, should we let her fail or should we let her not fail?
I don't know.
Decide and leave a message.
I think we should let her not fail.
Guys, this is embarrassing because I'm really having a hard time opening this.
I'll open it.
No.
Just let us open this.
Fine. Open it.
Thank you.
This has finally happened. This has actually happened where I have to enlist my children to open stuff for me. Oh, you can't do it either.
No, I
can do it.
She can't do it either.
I'll do it.
No, let's let her fail now. I won't let you fail. I'm nice. Here, let me.
No, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'm easy.
It says peel here.
Yeah, I was trying to see what I mean. You guys think it's so easy. You guys watch me over here and see, now you guys know. People watch me doing this and they mock me.
We don't have enough time, okay, Mom? I gotta go to Milwaukee right at the train station, okay? I can do it.
It's so bizarre thing that you
She's still not doing it. Let's just not talk about that.
No, I can do it.
Okay, so let's. I got an idea.
No.
Give it to me.
No.
Did you? She actually did it.
I did it. You guys failed.
You and me are losers today.
Good try, guys.
This smells like barbecue-y. I'm excited for this one.
Barbecue.
This smells good. I'm all over this one. You're right to let this one be this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Tried them. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It's cool. Okay, next we have Harris potato chips. I want to point out these say these expire April 3rd, 2020. Ew. These say these expire April 3rd, 2020. I feel like that's kind of weird. That's like soon. One bag of these is 80 calories, 1 gram of protein, 8 carbs. It's actually lower carb though than most chips are, so I will give it that. It's not like as high of carbs, so I will try this. I'll try like 1 chip. Remember what life was like when I was eating carbohydrates.
I want 2.
You can have 1. You can have 1. Here we go. This whole little bag is 80 calories, which I will say,
It's yummy.
I like this is only 80 calories. I think it's awesome. It's basically just potatoes and vegetable oil. I mean, it's fine. I think it just tastes like a potato chip. So I will say, if you're looking for a low-calorie chip option, this tastes like regular, like Ruffles, like Lay's potato chips.
Yeah, it tastes like regular chips. So
So
like,
that's good. Yeah.
yeah.
Next, we're gonna try deliciously crunchy cookie thinsters chocolate chip. 1 bag of these. The whole bag is 120 calories, which I feel like is great. It's got 18 carbs. It's got a lot of sugar.
Sugar.
A lot of sugar.
Sugar.
You guys are like monsters. You guys are just like little baby monsters. All right, there's a partial one. All right, here's one for you. Here's one for you. I'll eat the partial one. These are good. These are so good.
Mom has
Oh,
just
really good.
had sugar in the body now.
I love it. You can't eat it. These are really buttery though. They have like almost like a toffee flavor. Oh, it's so good. Finally, we have the Tahini Bar, best tasting snack bar. So one of these, 100 calories. It's got 6 grams of sugar, 2 grams of protein, and 9 carbs. So it's actually like a lower carb bar. So, but still, this isn't something that I probably would end up eating now with like my new dietary restrictions. But I will try it. It is supposed to be pistachio flavored. It's really crumbly. So there's a big old piece for you. Please pick up the piece that fell. I'm only gonna give you a small piece. It's actually pretty big. I was like, I'm not giving you a big piece, Ellie. You're kind of bogus about opening up that meat stick. You made us feel really bogus. Try this. These bars always crumble. It's good though. I don't know.
Yeah, that's good.
It's kind of weird. Hey, calm down. Calm down. So overall, I think my favorite thing today was the peanuts. I mean, I like the peanuts a lot. What do you like?
I said one of these.
Okay, if I'm being honest, yeah, this was my favorite.
My
but
favorite.
I can't eat these, so these are actually my favorite.
This and that. This and that.
But like, yeah, so I like the peanuts because I can eat them.
Oh.
The cookies though, they're incredible. Alright.
And chips.
No time to go to the station.
Okay, she's being really weird. So, that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew. Spelled the same way as down below. If you are part of the Justlikedrew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow or within the 1 to 3 business days for the biggest giveaway I've ever done on my channel, ever. All right, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye. I don't actually know what's in either of these. The cool thing is this month my mom actually decided to like order them for me, so like I wouldn't be able to like even like kind of remotely see what's in them, so I really have no idea. She just told